जमीला बेन, ये आरता है, आरता जी है। जाना हरवीर शर्मा जी, हरवीर शर्मा जी, नमस्ते मैडम, सुनीता मैडम, हरिओम, अलका बेन,
क्या बात है। कैसी जागृति?
बस मजे में।
अलका आप कैसे हैं?
हाँ। हरवीर जी नमस्ते।
हरिओम सुनीता बेन।
हाँ हरिओम, केम छो?
बस फाइन फाइन।
भाई क्यारेक દેખાવ તો ખરા, ખબર છે લોકડાઉન છે, ક્યારેક 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 મોડા એમ. આમી ઝૂમ મીટિંગ થી જ મોડા है. હું એવરી સેટરડે કાઈ ને કાઈ કરું છું. रमाजी कैसे हैं? हम तो रमाजी के यहाँ जाने वाले हैं.
आ जाना, जरूर आना, आप मैं रास्ता देख रही हूँ।
नहीं बिल्कुल, 25th को तो आ ही रही हूँ रमा.
अच्छा
उससे पहले भी आऊंगी तो मैं जरूर आऊंगी.
ठीक है, जरूर आना।
जरूर जरूर.
तो आपके पास।
यस, अंकिता कैसी है? मेहा
बस बढ़िया मैम।
यस यस हाय. अच्छा लग रहा है ना बहुत दिन के बाद सबको देखते हैं तो. इस सैटरडे मेरा आयुर्वेद का बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम है, सबको अटेंड करना है तो करना.
मैडम
हाँ मेरा आयुर्वेदा का बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम है, आप लोग जरूर. हम लोग बातें कर रहे हैं सर
तैयारी कर रहे हैं.
दिख ही नहीं रहे मेरे को.
जमीला, हरवीर, आई एम ऑडिबल टू यू? आवाज आ रही मेरी आपको? ओके नाइस. Just few seconds, yes, please. Namaste to all of you, and welcome back in our prenatal yoga batch. So here we go with first few relaxation, 3 times Om chanting, and then we'll start our topic of today. Everyone sit straight in any comfortable position. बैठ जाइए सभी in any meditative posture. And then you can bring your palm together, or you can make the chin mudra. And keep your eyes closed. Just be relaxed. And be calm. And be present in the class. Couple of deep breath. Everyone inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. 3 times Om chanting. Everyone inhale and now start. Inhale. Inhale one more time. Rub your palm, make a hit. Place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes and relax your mind. Gently open eyes and look up at your palm. Smiling face, and then just relax. Place your palm on your knee, guys. So here we go, some gentle warm up. Inhale, then look up very gently. Neck movement. Exhale, then look down, chin to the neck. Inhale, look up, very gently, shoulder away from the ear. exhale, look down, chin to the neck. Inhale, look front. Exhale, turn your head on the right side. Inhale, exhale, turn on your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn on your right side. Inhale, center, and exhale, turn on your left side. So these are the some joint movement which we can be practice and we can be give in the any level. Inhale, exhale, drop your head on the right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale on your left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale on your right shoulder. Inhale, center, and exhale on your left shoulder. And now relax, everyone. We'll go the some shoulder movement. Inhale, just lift the shoulder, and exhale, just give the circle like this. Inhale, lift, and exhale very slowly. Inhale, lift your shoulder up, and exhale just down. We just practice few minutes. These all are the especially the joint movements which you can be give in the any level of the practice. Few more times. Inhale and exhale, then down. One more time. Inhale and exhale, then down. Now anti-clockwise, opposite. Inhale and exhale, down. There should be no strain and there should be no any fast movement. किसी भी तरह का कोई तनाव या किसी भी तरह की कोई भी fast movement नहीं होनी चाहिए. Just few times more. The movement like you can be increase. Initially level you can be go with 4 time, 5 time. After some times you can be even, you can be increase. So that will be totally depends it. Okay. So now your arms just the front side. So usually on the first level, then the trimester one, the first trimester. So usually we can be focused on this movement. So you can be make a fist, muthi bana lijiye, and very simple, just like a wrist rotation. Very simple. Bilkul dheere. And time to time, like you just try to be also make the assignment for it. जो भी आपके जो small जो movements हैं, all the small joint movements, anti-clockwise, opposite, and then just relax everyone. इसमें ये भी होता है कि when you are giving some particular practice, so depends on particular different body type, कि after certain practice maybe they feel tired, so you can be let them relax. Always guide them कि whenever during any movement, any practice, you feeling tired, you feeling strained, so just stop the practice and just relax for a moment. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि there is not be like no until teacher has to be do it, so at the same time student, the pregnant woman also have to be follow it. No, it cannot be. Until they feel tired, they feel something different, so they can be stop their practice at the same time. Okay, so keep your legs straight here. दोनों पैर सीधे कर लीजिए. अभी initially we just go with some gentle movements, some small, simple gentle movements. Open legs, little bit, and just relax your legs, move your legs. Hands behind hip. Finding the difficulty, so you do not let, even this is very normal position. अगर एक normal की भी हम normal position की भी बात करें, so we have to be sit like the spine straight. But especially when during this time, so let them also aware to sit comfortably. They can even take the block like that. दे कैन बी सिट इन दिस पोजिशन, लेकिन उनको इस तरह से पोजिशन में उनको नहीं बिठाना, बिकॉज इफ द सिंक द स्पाइन द सिंक, सो द कंप्रेशन कैन बी कम ऑन द बेली। तो उसको यहां से बिल्कुल रिलीज रहना, सो दैट इट कैन बी क्रिएट ए स्पेस, ताकि वहां पर स्पेस आपका बना रहे पर्टिकुलर। एंड जस्ट रिलैक्स, मूव योर नीज अप एंड डाउन, बस ये some gentle movement should be there. Good. Legs closer little bit, just little closer, and then toes point. Flex your feet, toes point, and then flex your feet. Toes point, and then flex your feet. One toe point, one flex, like that. Change, change. Once more time, and then just make a rotation. बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे, very gently, very slow. Anti-clockwise, opposite, and just relax. Flex your toes. Very nice. So here we can be give the another, like the leg just a bit apart. थोड़ा सा gap रखिए, the leg can become just nearby the neck. That's it. Let them stay here for couple of seconds in this position. They can be place the palm on the knee and just stay for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Any situation finding some strain, even the ankle, even the knee, or even the hip. So according to that, you can be change the position. उसके हिसाब से आप position को change कर सकते हैं. Like the position can be here. Position can be, you can be give some support under the leg, or still finding some strain, so you can be let them the practice even in this position. So body type के accordingly वो change हो सकता है उसके अंदर. Then just practice the another side. The same, and just pull the knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and even you can be change the position like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and let them relax. So okay, so I will take you today. Until now, we just have some brief introduction about what does mean by the prenatal yoga, how many trimesters are dividing in the first, second, and the third, and what are the changes in the body, what are the symptoms, like क्या क्या changes होते हैं body के अंदर, particular each and every level. Actually, during this time, each and every day have some different changes inside the body. बट पर्टिकुलर जो भी था, आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन इन आवर ओल्ड द प्रेजेंटेशन ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट टाइम, वो हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्क्राइब किया था. सो फ्रॉम टुडे अभी व्हाट वी डिड, सो दिस इज समथिंग वेरी वेरी जेंटल विच यू कैन बी अप्लाई इन द फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर. बट बेसिकली हम जो ज्यादा फोकस करेंगे विल बी फोकस मोर ऑन द सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. सो फ्रॉम टुडे वी विल गो ऑन दैट रूटीन प्रैक्टिसेस. वन बाय वन हम उस रूटीन को फॉलो करेंगे. वी फॉलो द वन बाय वन दैट रूटीन कि स्टार्टिंग कैसे करना है आपको. तो टुडे फर्स्ट डे विल बी गो विद द वन हैंड सिटेड मेडिटेशन टाइप. उसको रिलैक्सेशन भी बोल सकते हैं. दैट इज द इनिशियल पार्ट ऑफ द रिलैक्सेशन कि हाउ हैव टू बी स्टार्ट द क्लास. तो उस क्लास को द सेम क्लास वी विल बी डिवाइड. सो फर्स्टली वी विल डिवाइड लाइक हैंड टू सिटेड पोस्चर, हैंड टू मेडिटेशन भी आप उसको बोल सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल कंबाइन सम वेरी जेंटल स्ट्रेच. And after that, one by one, I will be take you on the another routine. तो उसके लिए I will give you the one. You all have to be practice, and you all have to be feel. So, one second. Just give me one. I'm sorry, guys. Actually, my nephew, he give me his puppy. वो अपने एक डॉगी को मुझे दे के गया था. We just took to take her. So now will we go our first practice. After that, I will give you that script of that meditation script, but we have to be practiced with that. I will be read that script, and you have to be also feel that. So you all have to be assume, and you all have to be imagine. आपको वो feel करना है और आपको वो imagine भी करना है. So that the same thing, the same feelings you can be give to your students as well. ताकि आप वो same चीज आप अपने student को भी दे पाए. I prepare the one script of that. मैंने आप खुद एक तैयार किया है एक script को. So that is just a one idea. I will also share with all of you. मैं आपके साथ भी वो share करूंगा बाद में. And if you want to do some change inside it, अगर आप उसके अंदर कोई change करना चाहें, so you are allowed to do it. आप उसके अंदर थोड़ा बहुत change कर भी सकते हैं. Because sometimes it also happen. Because we all are like you are living some other place, I am other place. Sometimes also depends on particular students. वो बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें matter करती है. So I'll give you the one common script. I will be read and you have to be follow it. So and after that I'll share with you. And उसके बाद आप उसमें if you want to edit something, आप उसमें थोड़ा बहुत कम करना चाहे, उसको ज्यादा करना चाहे, you want to be little less or more, or you want to be edit it, so you can be. आप उसे कर सकते हैं. So उसके लिए you have to be sit straight. And another thing, ये जो practice है, that practice इसको we are saying the seated meditation, the seated prenatal meditation. But before that, I will take you on the common relaxation part. Might be someone you already have that experience with the Yoga Nidra. So this is the part of the Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra usually we practice in the lying down position. But this practice we can be do it like on even on the sitting on the mat, or even sometimes it's also depend. You can also give this practice to a student even on sitting on the chair. आप उनको चेयर के साथ भी ये प्रैक्टिस आप उनको दे सकते हैं. तो ये डिपेंड करेगा. दैट विल बी आल्सो टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिफरेंट बॉडी टाइप. Some students they are not feeling comfortable to sit on the floor or sit on the mat. So in that case you can give the another option to them. So write down few words. So let me read for all of you. So relaxation जो है, relaxation during the pregnancy, it can be very very safe, and it can be also cure to particular pregnant student. Relaxation is initial and very good for even for everyone. सभी के लिए अच्छा होता है. But especially during the pregnancy time, a lot of fatigue is going, headache and lot of changes inside the body is going on. ये और भी beneficially ज़्यादा. In that case, it will become more beneficial. So it's also mentioned the best option for this exercise can be on the seated chair, ताकि उसके अंदर वो relax होके आराम से वो बैठ सके. So do one thing, everyone, please. You want to be sit on the chair, you want to be sit on the floor, so you can, and you have to be imagine. Everyone has to be imagine that you are pregnant now. Harveer, Himanshu, you also have to be feel that. आपको भी ये feel करना पड़ेगा. Okay, because we are here in this batch. We are working as a teacher. This is just like the training. Keep first, because until the teacher will not feel, not how to say it, not connect with yourself. So it's very difficult to give to another. नहीं तो फिर वो हो जाएगा एक रट्टा वाली बात हो जाएगी. This is just like something copy and paste. So you have to be realize, you have to be feel, and you have to be connect with yourself, so that connection you can be give to your students too. ठीक है, तो आप सभी को अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए सभी from now For few minutes, everyone just feel that you are pregnant and you have a baby. Yeah, this is a very big challenge, especially for the men. Huh? Come on. So everyone, please sit straight. आप सभी बैठ जाइए. Or even if you want to be sit like you want to be sit with a wall, आप wall के साथ चले जा सकते हैं. You can be sit even with a table, sofa. आप वहां भी जा सकते हैं. You can even sit with the sofa. You can take some spot with your spine. Anywhere. Pillow ले लीजिए. Yes, you can take the pillow. You can even take the pillow. I think I need to be find some model for our this class. मुझे कोई मॉडल ढूंढनी पड़ेगी इस क्लास. Who is pregnant? M Nuan, you help me, yeah? You are in Saigon, huh? So you help me to find some pregnant woman for me for become my model in this class. Okay. Next week I am coming Saigon. Okay, guys. So please sit straight. And initial level you can just simple when I will say you have to be change the position. अभी आप simple एक position ले लीजिए. You can be put the wrist on your knee. Later, after first I will go with a one common script, one common relaxation part, and after that I will take you on the prenatal, especially that prenatal meditation part. So in that part you have to be put your one hand on the stomach, on your belly, and then one hand on your heart. ठीक है, वो हम बाद में लेके आएंगे. आई विल बी गाइड यू, नोट नाउ. अभी तो हम दिस टाइम विल गो विद अ वन कॉमन रूटीन. एक कॉमन स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर हम चलते हैं. So let me change some music for it. एंड इसके बाद आई विल आल्सो गिव यू द वन आइडिया फॉर इट. आपको मैं एक आइडिया भी दूंगा इस पर्टिकुलर एक मेडिटेशन स्क्रिप्ट के लिए. यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन स्क्रिप्ट एक अपनी लैंग्वेज में, एंड देन यू कैन बी रिकॉर्ड दैट स्क्रिप्ट. आप स्क्रिप्ट को रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं, लाइक रिकॉर्ड विद योर वेरी स्वीट वॉइस एंड इंक्लूड सम म्यूजिक. आप वो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं. एंड देन व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग दैट क्लास, व्हेन यू टेक योर प्रेनेटल योगा क्लास, एंड यू जस्ट प्ले दैट म्यूजिक देयर, यू प्ले दैट साउंड. 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट का जो भी आपका जो रिलैक्सेशन स्क्रिप्ट का जो आप बनेगा, रिकॉर्ड इट एंड देन यू कैन बी ओनली यूज दैट. दैट इज आल्सो वेरी नाइस. ओके गाइस, सो एवरीवन कीप योर आईज क्लोज. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए अपनी. Everyone, keep your eyes closed. And you only just listen to me only. I'll try, because usually I will try in the English. Some students might be, कुछ student को अगर थोड़ा सा complication लगे, I will also try to be used somewhere in Hindi. But even some students को लगे कि वो समझ नहीं पा रहे English के अंदर, तो बस you just anytime you're finding this thing, you just try to be focused on the breath. आप अपनी breath पर आ जाइए. ठीक है? Okay guys, here we go. Eyes closed, आंखें बंद, and now just only listen to me. Sit comfortably. Just observe your whole body. There is no strain in your whole body. किसी भी तरह का कोई भी तनाव नहीं हो आपके शरीर के अंदर. Focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in. एक लंबा गहरा श्वास. And as you exhale, allow your body to begin relax. Take a deep and long inhale. एक लंबा गहरा श्वास. And with the exhale, feel that your body start relax. Just only focus, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breath very slowly, and it should be natural. Everyone, raise your shoulder towards to your ear. अपने शोल्डर को अपने ईयर के पास ले जाने की कोशिश कीजिए. Just try to lift your shoulder to your ear side. And then let your shoulder relax, dropping into a comfortable loose position. And now try to be connect with this movement with your breath. Deep inhale, shoulder lift and towards to your ear. शोल्डर को कान के पास लेके जाने की कोशिश कीजिए इनहेल के साथ. And with the exhale, dropping into comfortable and the loose position. A sinkingness of the shoulder and the looseness of the shoulder, just try to be observed. Feel yourself sinking into the surface you are on. Allow your jaw to drop slightly. Letting the muscles of your face and jaw become loose and relaxed. अपने चेहरे के मसल्स को बिल्कुल लूज एंड रिलैक्स कर दीजिए। Relax your toes and feel your feet and legs relaxing. You can even squeeze your toes and then just relax your toes. You can gently open and close your hands couple of times. Example, you can also make a fist and then open the fist. आप मुट्ठी बना सकते हैं जोर से and just release. Make a fist tightly and then just release. Relax your hands and your arms. Everyone, take a deep breath in. थोड़ी देर के लिए वहां होल्ड कीजिए. Hold for a few seconds. Feeling a little tension in your chest and stomach as you hold the breath. And slowly release, and with the exhalation, allow your chest and stomach to relax. One more time. Take a deep breath in. Hold for a couple of seconds. And slowly, deeply exhale. Allow the muscles of your back to relax. अपनी बैक के मसल्स को रिलैक्स कीजिए. From your neck, your upper back, your middle back, and your lower back. Feeling your whole body relaxing. One time, try to observe your whole body and try to notice that is there any tension in any area or any part of your body. If yes, then relax that part and relax that area. Someone if feeling tired with a crossing leg, so they can even keep your both legs straight. If you feel comfortable, so please continue. Your body will continue to relax deeper and deeper. Might be sometimes you have the feeling of heaviness, then try to lose it and relax it. Focus on your eyelids. You may notice a feeling of heaviness in your eyelids. You can blink your eyes slowly, closing your eyes and then gently opening your eyes. क्लोज कीजिए धीरे से, फिर ओपन कीजिए धीरे से, धीरे धीरे ब्लिंकनेस के साथ, closing and just opening slowly, slowly. Focus on your breath. Deep and long inhale. And deep and long exhale. Now everyone, put your one hand on your belly and put one hand on your chest. Again, take a couple of deep breaths. And just check in with your body. Respect to your body. You have to remember that your body is your baby home until they are born, so be nice to it. Try to listen the sign of your body gives you. It can be pain. It can be heaviness. It can be tiredness. If someone have a discomfort or pain, so you can be back off and rest, or even you can be lying down with the back. Always listen to your breath. Breath slow and deep through your nostril. Feel the peace, calmness, and relaxation which is shared by you and the baby. As both of you rest comfortably and relax. Feeling so calm. Think about the upcoming birth of the baby and just imagine and visualize. And feel the connection with your baby. One more time, a deep and long breath. Inhale and deep and long exhale. Everyone keep your both legs straight. Lying down with the back for लेट जाइए सभी. Relax your hands, legs straight, your legs a little apart from each other. थोड़ा सा गैप रखिए दोनों पैरों के बीच में. Palm facing upside. Now just slowly move your neck left and right. Move. You can make fist and release. Slowly move your both legs. Gently bend your both legs. थोड़ा गैप रखिए दोनों पैरों के बीच में. A little gap in between the legs. And gently move on your left side. Push your palm and in the sitting position. Take a deep breath again. Inhale and deep exhale. Deep inhale and slowly, gently open your eyes. धीरे से अपनी आंखें खोल लीजिए. So this was just one idea about the script. So you can be make it longer, you can be make it shorter. तो you can be manage according to you. आप उसको थोड़ा और भी इसको edit कर सकते. So whatever I did, so I will share with you all, but you can be edit as per you. आप उसमें कुछ इसमें से निकालना है, कुछ और add आपको करना है, so you can be do that with you. So after that, I will take you the another sequence that is also in the seated sequence we will be work today. We call the seated sequence, that is also come in the sitting meditation. So sitting अंदर जो हमने किया, so this is also the one posture we usually call with the pranam asana, like the pranam mudra. So this is the one practice even, or initially when we start the class we also did that, like we did neck movement, the shoulder movement का practice किया, wrist movement you can be give that. During the meditation we also we little bit work shoulder lift towards to ear and then against. So this is also the practices you can be combined with that. Some other practice in the sitting which we are going to be practiced now. So same, you just make the finger lock. Everyone just do it. Later I will share with you. Better if they have the chair, that will be good. क्योंकि lying position के अंदर ज्यादा लंबे समय तक that is not allowed actually. Lying position में ज्यादा लंबे समय तक को allowed नहीं करते मतलब. So better, that's why I said even the sitting or even come with the wall के साथ आप बैठ सकते हैं, like crossing leg. If even you finding like you put the block pillow so that it can be give a bit support to the spine, थोड़ा सा lean भी आप कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. Like they are not feeling comfortable, put some block pillow under the leg and knee, because this portion directly can be have more strain on the hip joint. So here it will give a bit comfortable, or still not feeling comfortable. So even with the wall, it's a better idea. Like the leg straight, they can be also sit that in this position, because we have to find out the some comfortable place where they can be feel relaxed. And another thing, if they can be found out some kind of the chair, ये नहीं कि that chair is totally straight, इस तरह का chair होता है ना, some chair like थोड़ा सा जिसमें spine आपका थोड़ा सा relax हो जाए, पीछे की तरफ का जो chair होता है, so that your spine can be relaxed with the chair like this. बिल्कुल सीधा तो that will be a bit hard for them, वो बैठ नहीं पाएंगे, because that can be give a little compression on the belly when they will be sit a bit long time. तो बैक के साथ that is true, लंबे समय तक really we not allow for a long time in that. So we come in the sitting sequence. Sitting sequence के अंदर like same we did first. Finger lock can be, everyone can do with me. Whatever the sequence I'm giving you some certain, after that you can be a little bit edit more. Yes, and then just you have to be stretch the arms just on the front side, this one. Actually one thing we also need to be understand, okay, actually this time during the pregnancy time, the flexibility it's naturally it's come in the woman body. So main thing we just during our practice करने का main target, we need to be create the space. We need to be create the space. Second, the main target to focus more on to build up the strength in the body. ज्यादा हमारा focus, because when the woman body is grow, तो flexibility होता है, because a lot of hormones is also increase in the changes inside the body. So body naturally automatically flexibility उसमें आ जाता है. Flexibility is there. Got it? Just some simple side bend we are doing, some simple very gentle twist we are doing just for upper body and the shoulder. but our main focus to give them the strength can be especially on the lower body side. It can be the pelvic, can be the hip. ज्यादा हमारा फोकस वहां पर रहता है. Okay, so once again, finger lock and just stretch your arm the front side. This one. Can we have the repetition? Just again. किसी भी level पर, any level, you do not need to be give any fast movement. All the movement you can be have the repeated movements can be there. आप एक ही practice को उनको you do not need कि if you are giving a 60-minute class, you are giving 1 hour class. Example, आप class कीजिए, you do not need to be given 60-minute class. 45-minute class is enough. Initially, when you are starting the classes, so you start for the 45 minutes is enough. First class divide कीजिए, first time you give 5-10 minute relaxation दीजिए, and the ending class you just give them again 10-15 minute relaxation दीजिए. So in between class आपको 20-25 minute का आपको उनको routine देना है. You need to be give the some practice routine is somewhere about 20-25 minutes, that is fine. So once they start improving with the strength, they feeling a bit strong, then you can increase the class from 45 to even for the 60 minutes. और लास्ट तक आते आते even from 60 minutes even you can be increase the class up to 75 minutes too. But that will be totally depends on the different body type. अगर आप you are running some particular batch, आप कोई batch चला रहे हैं, so better you start the batch with simple only the 45 minute class routine will be there. ताकि slowly you will prepare your student on that level. Directly if you directly take the 75 minutes, so that can be very big challenge for them. वो बैठे रहेंगे लेकिन वो कर नहीं पाएंगे, वो उनके लिए बड़ा चैलेंज हो जाएगा. It will be very big challenge for them. So this is a very good way. Starting 45 minute class design कीजिए, designing 45 minutes. Later I will give you the script कि how you have to be design the class. Okay guys. So ये हो गया, and after that same hands can be the upside for the shoulder and the arms. Inhale. Exhale, here you can be hands down. Inhale, hands up. It can be open arms or it can be finger lock with the arms. You can be use both. But that will be totally depends also. Might be some student they have a stiffness in the shoulder, very much stiffness. So you can be give the some another prop. किसी भी लेवल पर उनको force नहीं करना है बस. Especially when they are very beginner in the practice. Like here, this one, you can be combined. Practice can be hands behind the hip. Practice usually when you come in normal asana classes, जब हम normal asanas की class के अंदर हम practice करते हैं, तो usually we very near. And then we are lifting the spine and open the shoulder like this. Usually in the normal routine we are practicing like that. हम इस तरह से practice करते हैं. But in this case you have to give them a bit more option like that. Okay, so they are allowed to put your arms a bit more behind of the hip. Got it? And then they just try to be lift the spine. ऐसा chest को push a little bit opening in the shoulder and there. Main thing क्या करना है? The main thing you have to focus that कहीं पर इस तरह से compression है उनके stomach के ऊपर. The compression shouldn't be on the belly side. So you have to be little give the lift up so that it can create the space in the abdomen. If someone they finding some still difficult here, so you option. आपके पास थोड़ा सा option होना चाहिए जैसे कि block के साथ में आप उनको दे सकते. Simply neck movement you all know, वो हमने normal classes में आपने सभी ने सीखा है और normal classes you already learn कि synchronous नहीं रहना चाहिए neck के अंदर किसी भी level पर. Any level there should be no synchronous in the neck. That should be totally relaxed. This one. Then just be relaxed. So you can be give the movement for 2 repetitions, even 2 times, even 3 times, or you can be also make the sequences like that, like कि you give them the practice one time, एक ही practice को, the one practice you can be given the rapid movement, आप उनको repeat करवा सकते हैं. Repeat in the sense you give them the one time practice, okay, one time you practice, just only hold for 3 counts or the 4, वापिस आइए, relax कीजिए, come back and relax. Okay, let's do the second time कीजिए. Second time you can be let them hold a bit longer than first time. First time जैसे कि आपने उनको hold दिया 5 count का, next time you can be give them the hold 7 count, 8 counts. First time you give them the hold, you are giving them the 7 count. So next repeat you are doing it, you can give a little bit longer than before. So इसी तरीके से the same way you can be, so their strength level, energy level can be increased in their body. तो इस तरह से वो repeat आप कर सकते. But this is just in the beginning. Later when you finding yes, they are finding a bit energetic, they are finding the energy level is going up, the strength level is going up, then you can be little modify the things. लेकिन कोशिश करेंगे हम ज्यादा अपर बैक और शोल्डर जैसे कि इस पर हम ज्यादा वहां पर नहीं लेके जाएंगे. लेटर we will be focus more on body. वो धीरे धीरे मैं आपको वहां के उसके रूटीन पर मैं आपको लेके चलूंगा. Next, same like side bending stretch we will be give it. Side bending stretch usually in the normal classes we are practicing left hand down, right arm straight, right? But it is during this pregnancy time it is also depend. So उसको हम थोड़ा सा और modify करेंगे. We will be little bit more modify especially in this time. So you can be modify ki you can be drop the elbow on the knee like that, and then just simply just the hand up. Hand can be here or even hand can be here. That will be depends. आप उनको बोले कि you have to be talk to your student, they just follow them. They're finding enough here, that's enough. Practice by practice they're finding more, because the more the hand will be go extension, so that's the sideways part will be stretch one time, because already वो हो चुका है, so that will be take time. So this will be totally different. Might be some students they already have the natural flexibility. Might be some students before they get pregnant, क्यों pregnancy से पहले might be they are doing the yoga long time before, तो वो body different करेगा, because when we learn in the beginning वो हमने किया था उसके अंदर, right? तो उसके हिसाब से आप उनको modify कर सकते हैं. So modify on the very basic level, just elbow on the knee, hand can be here, or even some practice maybe someone they are not finding the comfortableness, तो आप उनको hand bend भी आप उनको दे सकते. ये नहीं, it's not be like that, no, alignment say your arm should be straight, but they are not prepared at that moment, तो उनको आप relax दीजिए, आप उनको relax दीजिए. ये नहीं कि नहीं आपको ये मैंने I learn this, I am doing this, you have to be do it. No. You have to be follow according to them. आपको उनके हिसाब से उनको practice देनी. You have to be give the practice according to them. So this can be the modifications like here, can be here, or even can be here. You can be modify that. So this practice can be. और इसी practice को the same practice later you can change like this one. Even here or even here. Later you can be changed with even with the drop elbow. आप उसको drop elbow के साथ भी उसको change कर सकते हैं, right? But that everything should be come with a step by step. Good idea, the better idea when you are running this kind of the course or this kind of the classes, आप सीधा बोलिए, this batch is totally on the basic level, only on the beginner level. आप सिर्फ यही मेंटेन कीजिए, अदरवाइज समटाइम्स इट्स रियली बिकम ए हेडेक फॉर ए टीचर, बिकॉज आप उसमें कीजिए कि दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक लेवल, इवन यू डिड योगा लॉन्ग टाइम बिफोर, यू डिड योगा 10 ईयर 5 ईयर बिफोर, और इवन यू आर ए बिगनर, द बेसिक रूटीन विल बी इन दिस बैच, ताकि स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपेयर नहीं, इन दिस क्लास टीचर विल बी टीच ओनली समथिंग बेसिक थिंग, and then you can be create the second level. This is the second level of the class. उसके अंदर आप यू कैन बी से कि यस इफ समवन दे डन पर्टिकुलर दिस बैच सो दे आर अलाउड टू कम इन दिस बैच. तो समथिंग लाइक दैट. अगर आप एक बारी में सब कुछ मिक्स करें, इफ यू विल मिक्स ऑल द थिंग्स एट अ टाइम सो इट विल बिकम अ वेरी वेरी बिग चैलेंज फॉर यू. आपके लिए बड़ा चैलेंज हो जाएगा वो, बिकॉज रनिंग द प्रीनेटल क्लासेस इज आल्सो वेरी बिग चैलेंज. सो ये हो गया. ओके वी गो विद वन रूटीन. एक बार रूटीन में एक बार करते हैं सभी. आर्म्स, लेफ्ट एल्बो ऑन द लेफ्ट नी एंड राइट हैंड अप. कम ऑन, एक बार कर लीजिए प्रैक्टिस. जस्ट स्टे, ब्रीथिंग नॉर्मल. 1 2 3 4 5 and now 6. Come back. Right elbow, right knee, and then your left arm straight over the head, or even bend elbow, or even the arm straight. 1 2 3 4 5 and now 6. आ जाइए वापस. Come back. Then again on the left hand, and now right hand straight over the head. वो यहां भी हो सकता है. It can be here too. It can be here. It can be here, or it can be here. वो चेंज हो सकता है. That can be totally changed. Depends all the students. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Come back, because you find a lot of different students when we start teaching it. Even when you're giving them this for us, maybe this is a very gentle practice, but maybe for them it can be a challenging practice. They are not able to control because maybe the hip stiffness. So you should have some options with you. Okay, you can have the block, pillow under the knee, under the thigh, even the 2 or even the 1, something like that. Because जैसे वो lift करेगा, you all have that. वो lift करेगा, that part will be, it will be down, it will be affect your hip joint, or it will be affect your side waist more. जैसे ही the time your body posture will be changed, so the effect of particular posture, the effect of particular posture in particular any part of the body or particular any part of the muscle will be also changed. हम पोजीशन करते हैं योगा के अंदर, हम कोई भी पोजीशन करते हैं, हमने ये किया, फिर हमने ये किया, फिर हमने ये किया. Why we are doing all thing? हम क्यों डिफरेंट पोजीशन के अंदर हम जाते हैं? Because when you are changing the position, the effect of particular posture, it will be changed. उसका effect ऊपर, the effect in the body part on the muscles, वो change होता जाता है. Same ही posture को, same posture we are changing, same posture we are changing. Here we are changing, 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 here we are changing. Thing is that form of the asana is the same. क्या कर रहे हैं? We are doing the side bending, but each and every सभी side bending का form है, all the form of the side bending, but each and every time we are changing the modification. When we are changing the modification, so the effect of side bending it become change. वो कहीं पर ज्यादा हो जाता है intense level, the sometimes intensity of the particular posture is up and somewhere is down. So we have to find out how you have to be stabilizing. तो बस यही आपको उसके अंदर मैनेज आपको वो करना है. अब इसी प्रैक्टिस को व्हेन गिविंग विद अ ड्रॉप एल्बो, स्पेशली you already practice in the different classes, so you know dropping the elbow can be the challenge from the leg side, can be from the hip side. So in that you should have that option. Okay, you can be practice with the block. Still you are not finding the stability. Okay, they can put the block, pillow under the knee. Still they think no, this is not enough for me. Okay, so then skip. So come back on that the normal routine. तो यही चीजें, the same things you have to be just find out. And important thing during the practice, उनको you have to be keep asking them to your student. ये तो आपको भी पता चल जाएगा. I will also give you that script कि particular sequence, after one sequence I also write down the script कि स्टेबिलिटी पर इफेक्ट आएगा, यूर बेली कंप्रेशन होगा नहीं होगा, एब्डन मसल पर स्पेस क्रिएट होगा नहीं होगा, उस पर प्रेशर आएगा नहीं आएगा. आई विल आल्सो गिव यू इन द रिटन, बट ड्यूरिंग द टीचिंग यू हैव आल्सो कीप आस्किंग टू योर स्टूडेंट. फॉर यू माइट बी इट्स ए नथिंग, फॉर यू इट्स ए नथिंग, मे बी यू फील नथिंग, आपके लिए तो नॉर्मल होगा, But for your student, especially who has a big belly during that pregnancy time, उनके लिए challenge हो सकता है. So to be keep asking them कि you are feeling any compression in your belly or not, you are feeling any strain in your particular your body part or not, कहीं पर किसी तरह का कोई तनाव तो नहीं आ रहा, आपकी belly पर कोई compression तो नहीं आ रहा. So you have to be keep asking them. ये नहीं कि यू आर जस्ट टीचिंग देम ओके ये कर लो ये कर लो ये कर लो ये कर लो ओके हो गया नमस्ते हरिओम. यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच इन्वॉल्व विद देम. उनके साथ आपको इन्वॉल्व बहुत ज्यादा होना पड़ेगा, एंगेज बहुत ज्यादा होना, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर एनी योगा टीचर. यू आर स्पेशली यू आर टीचिंग पर्टिकुलर प्रीनेटल योगा क्लास. द सेम थिंग व्हेन यू आर टीचिंग योगा थेरेपी. आप योगा some students they have experience to teaching the yoga therapy, right? So when you're teaching yoga therapy, teacher has the much responsibility. Normal classes के अंदर ठीक है, okay, I give the option, ये नहीं हो रहा ये कर लो ये नहीं हो रहा ये कर लो, but prenatal yoga you also understand this is also the one kind of the therapy which you are giving to the pregnant woman. वैसे तो योगा अपने आप में एक थेरेपी है. योगा इन ओवरऑल इफ यू रियली अंडरस्टैंड योगा ओवरऑल इज ए थेरेपी. हम जो भी हम करते हैं व्हाट डज मीन बाय थेरेपी? थेरेपी मीन्स द ट्रीटमेंट. व्हाई वी आर डूइंग द योगा? बिकॉज वी वांट टू बी ट्रीट अवरसेल्फ. व्हेन वी ट्रीट अवरसेल्फ व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग इट? वी आर गेटिंग रिलैक्स, वी आर गेटिंग द फ्लेक्सिबल बॉडी, वी आर गेटिंग द कामनेस, द पीसनेस, वी आर गेटिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर, वी आर गेटिंग द स्ट्रेंथ, राइट? सो योगा अपने आप में एक थेरेपी है. But when we design particular therapy, okay, if someone has already got some kind of the problem, so we are designing this particular program. किसी को बैक का प्रॉब्लम हो गया, नी का हो गया, prenatal is also what I feel pregnancy is also in form of the one part of the yoga therapy. तो उसी का वो एक पार्ट. तो अभी आप आज का जो है I will after this class I will share that script which we did. So आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में in your language you please try to work on that. एंड गुड आप उसका एक रिकॉर्डिंग भी बनाए. यू जस्ट मेक रिकॉर्डिंग विद योर वॉइस, क्योंकि बोलने का भी एक तरीका होता है. व्हेन यू विल स्पीक, एक होता है कि ओके आई हैव द रिटन, आपको बोलना है रिलैक्स योर हैंड, रिलैक्स योर आईज, इनहेल, एक्सेल. ऐसा लग रहा है आप किसी को मार रहे हो, पीट रहे हो ऐसे जोर जोर से, या यू आर बीटिंग समवन. सो व्हेन यू आर गिविंग द व्हेन वी टीचिंग लाइक व्हेन वी आर गिविंग द टीचर ट्रेनिंग क्लास, सो methodology we are just talking about it. See, your voice is a very initial important part during teaching. Voice always, the voice का जो pitch होता है, the pitch of the voice is always up and down, depends. When you are giving the relaxation, your voice will be polite, sweet and very humble, right? उसमें एक melody होना चाहिए voice के अंदर. You are giving the relaxation and you are something like you are shouting and you are like angry on them. Spine straight, feel heavy. No. So that will become, वो one time नहीं आएगा आपके अंदर. You have to be practice for that. That's why I'm saying learning is a one part. Okay, आपको ये तो पता चल गया. You already understand कि okay, the script is something like that. But you have to be little bit work on it. You know, teacher को एक तरह से ना एक actor की तरह काम करना पड़ता है. Teacher is just like an actor. He has to do so many acting during teaching the class. Sometimes he has to be angry. Sometimes he has to be very friendly. Sometimes he has to be very aggressive. Sometimes he has to be very humble. Sometimes he has to be very polite. Right? तो बहुत तरह की एक्टिंग करनी पड़ती है टीचर को भी एक क्लास के अंदर. तो आपको वो सारी एक्टिंग सीखनी है. ठीक है? तो आप सभी इस तरह से रिकॉर्डिंग कीजिए, बिकॉज वॉइस ऑलवेज अप एंड डाउन. जैसे कि रिलैक्सेशन आप देंगे, व्हेन यू आर गिविंग द रिलैक्सेशन, सो योर वॉइस विल बी वेरी स्वीट, वेरी हम्बल, बिल्कुल एक मेलोडी की तरह वो ऐसे जाना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन यू आर गिविंग द प्रैक्टिस, आप कोई प्रैक्टिस देते हो, व्हेन यू वांट टू बी पुश योर स्टूडेंट, व्हेन यू वांट टू बी मोटिवेट स्टूडेंट, दैट टाइम आपकी मेलोडी पर काम नहीं आएगी. दैट टाइम यू कैंट यूज योर मेलोडी. दैट टाइम वहां पर वो रिलैक्सेशन वाली पिच काम नहीं आएगी. आप okay, hands up, stay there. No, you can't be do like that. When you have to be pushed, you have to be hands up. Come on, inhale, look up, stretch up, stay. 3, little bit more up. 5. So means your voice will be, you're actually the teacher. बैठे बैठे मैं आपको क्लास में करवा दूंगा. I'll say do this, do that, and you will be following. So voice and the communication for any teacher, it's really a very, very important part. तो वॉइस के ऊपर भी हमें बहुत काम हमें करना है, especially when you're teaching meditation, you're teaching the relaxation, you are teaching the kind of वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन। अब मैं उसी के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूं। अभी मैं बस अपने तरीके से समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं आप सभी को। ज्यादा आई एम नॉट टेकिंग दैट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड्स, आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग समथिंग वेरी इजी गोइंग वर्ड्स। दैट वर्ड्स कैन बी डायरेक्टली हिट टू योर माइंड। नहीं तो मैं उसमें भी बहुत ज्यादा फिलोसफी में अगर मैं बता दूंगा उसके अंदर, वो फिर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा आपके लिए। दैट विल बिकम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इफ आई विल पुट अ लॉट ऑफ फिलोसफी ईच एंड एवरी टाइम। सो माई वे टू मेक द थिंग्स, उसको things can be cut in the small pieces and make it very simple so that easily can understand. अगर आपको वो चीज समझ में आ गई, if you understand that thing, so easy for you that you can be easily give to others. अगर आपको वो complication बनी रही कि आप that things you cannot take it from me, so how can you give to others? वो तो फिर एक कॉपी पेस्ट वाला सिस्टम हो जाएगा। तो फिर करना है तो वो तो ठीक है, आपको मैं पूरा का पूरा स्क्रिप्ट बना के देता हूँ, चलो ये करना है हो गया। Yeah? So I will be trying to finish this part as soon as possible, and after I want to work more on the teaching, because over this batch practice, whatever the practice we will be in this batch, वो आप कर चुके हैं, you did it. Is what we had to be do, I will just उनको मैंने एक जगह पिरोना है। I had to combine that practices, combine that sequences, whatever ये आप सभी कर चुके हैं, you did all this stuff, सभी कर चुके, you all did it right, कर चुके। मे बी सभी फील बोरिंग, क्या प्रवीण सर ये हमें करवा रहे हैं, ये हाथ करवा रहे हैं, हम करते हमने बहुत कर लिया। बट इस बैच whatever we did already, we are just making in the one sequence. अभी मैं आपको एक एक पार्ट पे लेके चलूंगा। I will not give you everything one time, वरना फिर आप भाग जाएंगे मेरे पास से, हाँ? और मैं आपको भागने दूं, I will not let you run away from me. मैं आपको ऐसे ना होल्ड करके रखूंगा मेरे पास, हक करके, राइट? तो अभी फिर इधर लेके चलूंगा आपको मैं। तो अभी the today work that you are that script of that meditation. After I have the one more class, after that I will be share that script with all of you. I will take the picture and I will send it to you. मैं आपको वर्ड फाइल भी मैं आपको सेंड कर सकता हूं, बट I will not do that. वरना फिर आप क्या करेंगे, वहां से कॉपी कर लेंगे और बना लेंगे। नो, want that you write down with your way. आप अपनी मेहनत से उसको राइट डाउन कीजिए, रिटर्न में कीजिए। फर्स्ट यू विल राइट डाउन विद योर ओन efforts, with your own hard work, so that it will become a set for you. वो आपके माइंड में ज्यादा फिक्स हो जाएगा। वो करने को तो मैं दे सकता हूं आपको, like I just make the all the word file, PDF file, I can give it to you, लेकिन मैं वो करूंगा नहीं। I'll not do that. I do not want my student become lazy. I'll give you the sport, but I want that you all use your efforts, your mind, whatever I'm giving you. I'm not saying that 100% you have to be follow exact me. मैं आपको ये नहीं बोल रहा कि सारा 100 का 100% आप मेरे वाला फॉलो कीजिए। नो, मेरे 100% के अंदर आपको अगर 10% भी अच्छा लगे, यू टेक 10%, 20%, 50%, टेक इट फ्रॉम मी। यू फाइंड समथिंग मोर, यू ऐड विद योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आप वो भी उसके अंदर आप उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है? So okay, the sitting sequence which we did, seated hand on heart. So इसमें creating space, this pose creates space in torso and the arms lifted or when back bending. तो torso के अंदर वो थोड़ा सा, आपका torso मतलब कि आपका जो धड़ है उसके अंदर वो थोड़ा सा space create करता है। Abdominal muscles are stretched slightly when a little back bending or slightly twisting. Abdominal muscle थोड़े से उसके अंदर stretch होते हैं, but not very much. Belly compression, in this practice the belly is not compressed in this pose. Belly compress कहाँ होगी? When we will go with the wrong way. How the wrong way? When sinking जाएगा, आपका spine sink करेगा. When you will do it, then the belly can be compressed. But when the spine can be lengthened, when you will do it, so almost your abdominal muscle will be just a little stretch only. Mainly your torso muscle will be stretched. Stability, the pelvis will be stable in this pose, and as long as sit bones stay on the ground. तो बस गया इसके अंदर। Creating space, we should understand. Abdomen muscles, we need to be understand. उसमें वो compression या वो affect हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. Belly compression हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. That we need to be understand. और belly compression, if not belly compression, किन reason से हो सकता है? From which reason can be belly compression? We also need to be know. Okay, so मैं इसका शूट लेके मैं आपको मैं सेंड करता हूँ क्लास के बाद में. And then make your own assignment time to time. ठीक है. नेक मूवमेंट, ये ना वाली मूवमेंट है या ये हाँ वाली मूवमेंट है? You know, in the other countries, like I'm living here, and when I travel some other places, we have some students here like Tanya, and we have Tomoko from Mexico, Olympia. A lot of my students say like Indian people, they talk less and they give the gesture. Like we have a lot of gesture like that, right? तो हमारी नेक मूवमेंट हमेशा काम करती रहती है. ये हमेशा हमारी वो मूवमेंट हमारी चलती रहती है. ओके गाइस, सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड ध्यान रखिए. एंड आई विल सी यू टुमारो. देन टुमारो फिर हम इससे थोड़ा सा आगे चलेंगे. ओके ओके गाइस, सो थैंक यू सो मच. नमस्ते, Hari Om and Om Shanti. And one thing more guys, in this batch, like please do not complain to me कि सर आपने मुझे नहीं देखा, आपने मुझे नहीं देखा, ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया. Because in this batch, जहां मुझे लगेगा, when I feel, then I will observe you. Because there is nothing more observe about it. आप सिर्फ मुझे ऑब्जर्व कर लीजिए एक बार, ठीक है. In other batches, when we have the more on the practical classes, वहां पर मैं आपको ऑब्जर्व करता हूं. Okay? So अगली बार when we do the next time we do meditation na, so I think we put some and we make our belly like this so that we will be feel more. I have the baby already. Yes, then you can be realize more. ठीक है. थोड़ी सी एक्टिंग के साथ भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे so that we can be connect with ourselves. थोड़ा सा कनेक्शन बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay? Okay guys, so thank you so much. हरि ओम, नमस्ते. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. नमस्ते. Yes, it's a very nice. Slept with Yoga Nidra. Very good. This is the good thing. Every teacher, I know almost whoever is attending this batch, I know 99% of you are teaching yoga. आप yoga teacher हैं. So you should make your own script in the Yoga Nidra. आप उसको बनाइए, YouTube पर डाल दीजिए. Yoga Nidra. 5 minutes different. I am giving you. It's a secret thing I am telling you guys. 5 मिनट का बनाइए योग निद्रा फॉर 5 मिनट. बना दीजिए स्लीपिंग योग निद्रा, मॉर्निंग योग निद्रा, नाइट योग निद्रा, डे टाइम योग निद्रा. यू हैव टू फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट क्रिएटिविटी कंटेंट्स. अगर आपको फेमस होना ना, यू वांट टू बी फेमस एज ए टीचर, सो डिफरेंट कंटेंट बनाइए, क्रिएटिविटी डालिए उसके अंदर. यू हैव टू पुट मोर क्रिएटिविटी इन दैट. 5 मिनट का बनाइए. ओके, दिस इज फॉर 5 मिनट. इफ पीपल आर सो मच बिजी, सो दे कैन फॉर द 5 मिनट योग निद्रा फॉर द ऑफिस पीपल, योग निद्रा फॉर द मैन, योग निद्रा फॉर द वुमेन, योग निद्रा फॉर द सीनियर सिटीजन, योग निद्रा फॉर द प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन. यस, सो यू कैन वन कॉन्सेप्ट यू कैन बी डिवाइड इन सो मेनी वेज. आप एक ही चीज को डिफरेंट चीजों में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 20 मिनट, आधे घंटे की, 1 घंटे की बनाइए, काम कीजिए, एफर्ट्स डालिए. पुट योर एफर्ट्स, पुट योर डेडिकेशन, पुट योर हार्ड वर्क इन दैट. देन पीपल विल नोज यू. हतरे की दीजिए. कहीं आपके पास कई बार मैसेज, अरे सर आई एम सो बिजी, आई डू नॉट हैव 1 आवर. ओके, 5 मिनट की कर लीजिए. यू हैव 5 मिनट. ओके, गो अहेड विद द 5 मिनट. योग निद्रा फॉर एंगर, योग निद्रा फॉर एंजाइटी, योग निद्रा फॉर दिस, योग निद्रा फॉर दैट. एक ही कॉन्सेप्ट को डिवाइड कर दीजिए आप. बेनिफिट देखा जाए तो योग निद्रा, व्हेन यू टॉकिंग द योग निद्रा, यू विल हैव ए कॉमन बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दैट. सभी उसमें कवर हो जाएंगे. बट व्हेन यू विल बी हिट द मार्केट, सो आप इस तरह के कंटेंट आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन बी क्रिएट. दिस इज द वन एग्जांपल. जस्ट आई एम जस्ट कंबाइंड विद द योग निद्रा. सेम कंटेंट यू कैन बी कंबाइंड विद अनदर थिंग्स एज वेल. मैंने आपको बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट बताया, आप करके देखो इसको. Okay, so thank you so much. Namaste and see you tomorrow. And some students maybe they have to become another batch, Power Yoga, batch 39.